We started this piece through an open call and an audition. So I found the dancers who really match our piece. We have been choreographing already 4 months for this piece, so that's been a very long journey. So my name is Jiarong Yu, and I'm the founder of Netherlands Space Theatre. Our piece will be Towards a New Architecture, Brutalism. We got some device to capture the movement, send them to the AI drive system, and they will calculate and send back the digital version to the projection. So you will see during our movement, the digital version will be on stage as well. So this festival is a Concrete Rain Asian dance festival. As a performer and a dancer here in UK, I think we are really underrepresented as an Asian group in the performing industry. So I think this is a very important spot for us to show our pieces, our thinking, our ideas to this community, like West Country community, to see how the Asian people, their creativity, how we affect the culture in here as well through our culture.
I think this is my first time and like having to present a piece at Sadlers as well, it's a big deal for me.
Yes, but I have to say, like before, it's a little bit like terrifying and exciting at the same time, because it's going to be, you know, a big stage, and also it's a premiere. It's just device, so it's never been performed before, and I think in a way because it's also quite personal to each of us. So, but it's just great to show our work with others. Yes, hope you will like
Welcome
it.
to the first Concrete Rain Asian Dance Festival, a celebration of exceptional emerging talent in choreography and dance. I'm Simon Hodgkinson, and with Sarah Labraska, I set up Slash Arts at the beginning of the pandemic to help emerging artists. Our mission is really to support innovation and creative risk-taking and diversity, qualities that you'll find in the festival tonight. We're incredibly proud with Neverland Space Theatre to present this dynamic showcase of choreographic excellence across East Asia. These performers possess not only technical mastery, but also offer deeply personal narratives and cultural perspectives that enrich the global dance community.
It draws a question from how do we say goodbye in East Asia, and then we start exploring the funeral rituals.
Like an all group piece, super diverse. There is a charm for the festival, like a Asian dance festival, but you can find each
The individuality,
like
yeah. So it's like even though we have a whole group umbrella as like East Asian, but you can still see all the difference under it. Yes.
I'm also super honored to be in this festival, just because I get to have complete freedom in my own creative process and in what I want to create.
The inspiration behind was about how to be a female under the patriarchy society. I can mix different Asian artists, like in the festival, that is actually a very good experience for me, the exchange.